Hello, I'm Ski4566. Today I decided to eat at Sonic. I got a sandwich and tater tots under the $4 menu they had. I got me some jalapeno poppers. Love them jalapeno poppers. Peppers, I mean. I'm give me like a little table stand to put over me. And order one. I hope everybody's day going good. The kid's supposed to be in school and he's walking around. I'm looking out my window. Some parents need to watch their kids. They'll be skipping school and shit. Gotta watch them. Vontae! Y'all can't even hear me. He hear me when he want to hear me. He barely can hear. I thought he was in the kitchen, but I guess not. You turn that voicemail, turn his phone on. There you go. Hey, I got these jalapeno peppers in here. The jalapeno peppers. Okay. Yeah. I tell you, I can't hardly eat. Yeah. Try to get something to eat, you know. I'd be in another 3 hours. And so I'd be probably hungry. You know. Trying to get some mustard. So if you do. You know, if you're going to eat that, man. I might get something out the refrigerator. I gotta eat potato tots. I tell y'all, I've been, but I took care of some business this morning and everything. And I be hungry, but I don't know, my stomach just can't eat all my food, you know. Then put it back in the refrigerator. And, you know, later on I heat the rest up. That's how it do, you know. Yeah. And I be hurting, you know, every time I eat, I be cramping and stuff. And my stomach so bad. It's crazy. It really is, you know. But yeah, I had the special, you know, the sandwich and the tots. The tots was like $1.79, I think, for a small tot. And they look half done. I don't know, he might eat them, I don't know. And I got that sandwich for like $3 and something. It was under $4. The only thing this was like $4 for these jalapeno poppers. And my drink was like $3 and something. I was out of Instead of telling her, I was out of $12.33. Yeah, the cheddar peppers was under under $4. My cherry limeade was $3.19. And the that was strange. I'm thinking I'm paying $3.59. So they gave it to me for $1.99, the sandwich. And a small tot, $1.89 instead of $1.79. So I got, okay, the only thing cost me was my drink and the peppers. Yeah, that's where it was like $8 just about for that. I had we got 2 Sonics in my location. The one down like 2 blocks from me, the hamburgers wasn't right. I think they had different patties. I think that's what it was, different patties. And I went to the one I went to now on the other side of town. It was a whole lot better. They got the right patties, and it tastes like the Sonic burger, but that's about it for me, I guess it's all I'm eating today is Sonic. But it was a place, it's a new restaurant, about 30 minutes away that I'm going to try before the week out. Yeah. And it's another one. It's 2 of them, that I want to try before the week out. But I'm going to have videos on that. But before I go, I want to show y'all the stuff I got from TikTok shop. I don't know if he gonna come and get these stones or what. He need to come get them. But I didn't even feel like eating in the front room. In the kitchen. I just came on in my room. Try to get me like a stand, probably another week or 2. I should have it because I'm gonna order it. But I got this the little mini body glaze. Hold on, yeah. It's a body glaze. It smells real good. I opened it last night. It smells real good. Still can smell it a little bit, on my, right here, So I had my shower last night, and I still can smell it still. And this is my yoni bar. I had to make sure that I had the right bar because you can smell it through the package, And I had to make, okay. I just wasn't smelling it too much. But I had to make sure this is the right yoni bar because, everybody's selling it. Everybody's selling it, and it's fake. How I know the real yoni bar, it got a loud odor to it, and you can smell it. You put it down, you can smell it. So I know it's the real one. I bought one from off of Shein. And then TikTok shop, a few months ago, I got my money back from them. I didn't want them soaps. Because they didn't have no scent barely or nothing. And then had like grass or something on top. I'm like, what type of shit is this? And I got this. This is a free sample. It's at her fantasy box. This is a cinnamon gel, you know, that helps with bacteria, pH balance, skin, and all that type of stuff, you know. Soften the skin and everything. This is what everybody been talking about off the TikTok shop. So this is the free sample they gave me. I gotta go do a video on that. And I got a Forever 21 perfume. It smells good too. I opened it up and everything. It smells real good. It was something that, ooh. The price on this was like $8 and something. I got that, and then I got this for like, I think this was like 10 for a mini. But then I found out on the TikTok shop, you can buy like eight of them for like $30, you know, the little minis. So I am gonna order that soon. This was a sample. This was the free sample. And I think this run about $13 or $14, you know, but that's what I had. And also, I want to show y'all something else. Something else. Okay. See, I had the collection of Yari. You know, I showed y'all this before, but I got it all now. This is the cologne. This is the body lotion. You know, you just do it like this. Squirt. Push it. I mean, I love this smell. It smells so good. Ooh. And this is the lotion. Again. I think y'all can see it. I don't know for sure. You probably can't. Okay. And this is the deodorant. And this is the air freshener. So now, I got the collection and I got a roll-on. That was the first thing I ever got, was a roll-on. It was like $11. You know. So, I got it all now. And the air freshener, y'all need to get this. The Yari air freshener. It lasts. It lasts. I mean, this is the best. But that's all I have from the TikTok shop and everything so far. I don't think I got anything else, but this was the only thing that I got. You know, I've been had this, you know. I'm just showing y'all. I got the whole collection now. But that's all I have from TikTok shop. And I got more orders to come. I got 3 nice bags. 3 nice bags that my daughter and son, you know, how many orders? One, two. I think 2 more orders is coming from the TikTok shop. I got 2 orders coming from Temu. Small orders. And if I'm not mistaken, I think my daughter got me something off of Shein. So my daughter, she's been really shopping for me, and my son, he really done a lot of shopping for me this weekend for a little bit of nothing. I mean, y'all, it wasn't even $120, for the stuff that he got. And I think one order my daughter got was like 40 something. I think the other one he got was 30 something. And then I got some samples that's supposed to be coming in. But like I said, I got that shower gel. That's one of the samples. But I think I got about 2 or 3 other samples from TikTok shop. So we've been shopping quite a bit this month off the TikTok shop. Normally Temu is my site in Shein, because they don't charge all that, price, to deliver your stuff and everything like that. They charge too much at the TikTok shop for shipping and handling, too much. But once them other orders come in, I will show y'all that and the samples that I got for free. But that's all I have, y'all. Y'all have a good day. God bless.